Yeah, Brent and Sarah, the river is receding right now, but it becomes overwhelmed with sewer and storm water during heavy rains. That water also floods intersections and gets into the basements of homes in North Hartford, where advocates say relief isn't coming fast enough. More than 2 inches of rain in 90 minutes. That was last Friday during the wettest July on record. It's also why advocates say addressing flooding concerns in Hartford's North End needs to be priority.
We can guarantee that North Hartford will be underwater if we don't address these issues.
Lawmakers set aside $100 million for long-term structural upgrades, including $5 million for homes and businesses overwhelmed by flood waters. But the Greater Hartford African American Alliance has questions about an older bucket of money, $500,000 in flood mitigation assistance from 2021.
The experience has not shown that when monies are received, they're actually all spent for what it was that they were allocated.
There are victims who have been denied funding based on the City of Hartford's application process.
The Metropolitan District says it's slated to begin sewer separation, rehabilitation, and private property work this month. Advocates say that's not fast enough.
We want to know why the MDC is moving at a snail's pace.
But Mayor Luke Bronin says you can't repair an old system overnight.
There is no short-term solution to this problem.
At issue, separating merged stormwater and sewer pipes.
And that's going to take years, and it's going to take a whole lot of money.
And we're also hearing from state environmental officials about oversight of these projects, what they had to say and what they're planning to do coming up at 6 o'clock. We're live in Hartford. I'm Samaya Hernandez, Fox 61, Connecticut's news station.